Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Call of Duty Warzone game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will need to install the Steam application on your device. If you haven't done so already, open up your web browser and then type in store.steampowered.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Steam website. Now click on Install Steam from the top section, which will download the Steam installer. After it is downloaded, just open it up and click through the next buttons to install the Steam launcher. After the Steam launcher has been installed, just log into your Steam account by opening it up and you will now be taken into the store page. From this page, just click on the search box and then type in Warzone and start your search. Once you find the Call of Duty Warzone game, go ahead and click on it and you might be asked to enter your date of birth. Type in your date of birth and click on View Page, and now you will see the Get or Download button. If you have already clicked on it, you will now see the Play Now button. Once you click on this button, it will begin the download and installation of the Call of Duty Warzone game. Just define where you wish to install this game, and then click on the Install button, and now your download and installation will begin. Once the installation is completed, you can open up the game and start enjoying right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Call of Duty Warzone game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.